Hi there. Want to enhance the quality of your pictures? You don't need expensive software or any design skills. Copilot AI in PowerPoint can upscale them in just a few clicks. Here is the image with low resolution. Let's enhance its quality. Import the picture in PowerPoint. Then go to the Picture Format tab. Click Edit Picture. The AI Tools window opens. Click the Upscale icon. Copilot will start enhancing the picture. It takes a few moments to upscale the picture. Click Accept. Then click Save. The original picture is replaced with the enhanced version. Save the picture on your laptop. Here is the original and enhanced result. The difference speaks for itself.